Do you want to live in Whitby? Then this house is for you. I'm totally stoked to introduce you to 50 Michael Boulevard. This is a detached 3-level backsplit. The upper level features 3 great-sized bedrooms, a full bathroom, and the main floor is super bright with living space, dining space, and an eat-in kitchen with a side entry to your backyard. The lower level is a super cozy spot to hang out with a fireplace, 3-piece bathroom, laundry with tons of storage. Make this home yours. Call Dan Plowman team and book your showing today.